Hey everyone, welcome to another video, and today's video we'll try to learn the 10 best dropshipping affiliate program that you can promote today. Okay, before starting the video I want to show you very special thing. Let's see what is this. At 10 this is outdoor cycling skit, sports waterproof touch skin plus gloves. Okay, so what is the price here in CJ Dropshipping? This is only price is $3.41 or $3.52. Okay, just almost $4. Okay, now check it in Amazon.com. What is the price? This is $49. The same product. See, it's $30. Okay, what, $62? Can you imagine? Bro? So this is the potential of dropshipping. Okay, so before starting the dropshipping I will first recommend you the first website. This is number one is CJ Dropshipping. CJ Dropshipping also have the affiliate program, so if you join the affiliate program you can earn a lot of money through CJ Dropshipping. Okay, and the next one is pocket.com. Okay, this is also a very good dropshipping affiliate program. You can start with them. Okay, and starting with this affiliate program you can earn a lot of money, and you cannot imagine how much money you can earn through this kind of dropshipping affiliate program. Okay, so they have three affiliate commission program. Okay, number one is bronze. See the let's affiliate program. Okay, commission, oh my god, 30% commission. Can you imagine? They have monthly challenge. Who can make money with affiliate marketing? Everyone, blogger, video creator, app developer, anyone can join their program. Okay, so basically they have three affiliate program. This is one called is bronze. It's up to 20%, and you can earn $717 per subscriber in the first year. They have also silver package. You can earn up to 25%, and it means the $897 per subscriber. Okay, this is a very and my favorite one. And in their gold affiliate program you can earn up to 30%. Okay, their subscriber, and it's 1076 per year. They're very good. Okay, so this is one of the top dropshipping affiliate supplier, original in US and UE products. You can affiliate in US and Europe both, but they pay very high commission. I recommend you to start with their affiliate. Okay, mm, they choose best product to sell from thousands of dropshipping suppliers all around the world. This is very good. And this, the next dropshipping program website is ShareSL. This is so good. Okay, and when opening a ShareSL, okay, mm, let's see. Share is the fastest growing revenue marketing program partnership solution. They have solution for merchant, solution for okay. Let's see their affiliate program. They have solutions to payments. Okay, let's see the payments. Very good commission. Very good commission. The next product is By the way, this is the affiliate program of wholesale to be okay. Sell Sell. This is also very good affiliate program. Silver is a very powerful research tool, supplier directory, and online community for dropshippers, wholesalers, and e-commerce stores. Join the Silver affiliate program and earn money promoting Silver from your website, newsletter, list, or blog. You don't need to do any sell. You just send visitor to their website and earn commission when they buy something. Okay, you don't need to sell anything, just sell, send the traffic, they will do rest of the works. Okay, business coach, agency, freelancer, developer, and influencer. This is very good, very good. And the next one is Ali Drops affiliate. Refer and up earn up to 869 from every sale. Can you imagine $869 from every sale? Okay, so Ali Dropship is one of the most trusted dropshipping solution used by thousands of entrepreneurs worldwide, and the number keeps growing daily. Okay, so just join them, see the website, 50% commission, 30% commission. Very good program. And the next is Dropship. Okay, this is also a very good program, and automate your dropshipping business in one dashboard. Okay, that's very good. It helps you to create an AliExpress dropshipping store. It gives you the ability to add product from AliExpress to your e-commerce store. Okay, while fulfilling orders from their dropshipping store. Dropship helps by auto-adding the order products to AliExpress. Okay, the order. Okay, and by auto-filling your customer data or checkout. Are you understanding? Okay, earn for 400% average profit over the kingdom. Very good program. And the next program is sell better products. Okay, Dropify is very good, and my favorite. Okay, so what is Dropify offers? It helps you to automate it. Top selling product will be found it here. Okay, Dropship.me. This is also powerful. Dropship.me always you to easy import over app to manually edited and selected hot AliExpress product with clear already edited. Okay, next one is Find Niche. This is also a very good. Find Niche is a powerful document tool that people can use to analyze profitable product with the potential of a massive return on investment. Okay, it's so good. Mhm. Okay, so now so niche finder is also here. Okay, dropshipping.one. This is also my favorite. And dropshipping one is where dropshipping suppliers meet online suppliers. Okay, this is actually a marketplace or a community type system. Online sellers can consult the public area for free. Okay, and potentially purchase subscription. Okay, no problem. This is very good. I'm not signing now. Okay, so those are the top affiliate programs, and When you start dropshipping and affiliating them, you can earn a lot of money. First, start your dropshipping business, sell some products, come to a YouTube and make a YouTube channel like me, and then you can actually understand the value of building the community. Okay, the exposure, the leverage you will get from this community is so awesome. So you are requested to start your dropshipping journey. Okay, and you also can affiliate your uh, any kind of program. Okay, so no more today. Thanks for watching us. Keep okay, no more today. See you soon. Thank you for being with us. Okay, the next video we will also learn how you can earn money. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe the channel and share the video. Thank you so much.